The modern minimalist. The modern minimalist tiny house is a sleek and stylish example of contemporary design. With its clean lines, neutral color palette, and minimalist decor, this tiny house embodies the less is more philosophy. The open floor plan maximizes space, while strategically placed windows and skylights flood the interior with natural light, creating an airy and spacious feel. The interior features multifunctional furniture and smart storage solutions that keep the space uncluttered and efficient. For instance, the sofa can be converted into a guest bed, and the dining table can be folded away when not in use. The kitchen, though compact, is fully equipped with modern appliances and ample storage, ensuring functionality without compromising on style. The modern minimalist tiny house often includes a loft bedroom that provides a cozy sleeping area, while the main floor offers a comfortable living and dining space. The exterior design complements the minimalist aesthetic with a sleek facade and simple landscaping. This tiny house is perfect for those who appreciate contemporary design and seek a clutter-free, efficient living space.